Ever felt like your carpet's bearing the brunt of life's little mishaps? From pet hairs to wax spills and stubborn furniture dents, Quidos Cleaning Services is here with Tuesday tips to make your carpets look and feel brand new. We all adore our pets, but their hairs, not so much. Here's a game changer, the humble shower squeegee. It's not just for windows. Glide it over your carpet, especially those challenging stairs, and watch as it lifts away even the most stubborn pet hair. Set the mood with candles but ended up with a waxy mess? Fear not, an iron and a brown paper bag are all you need. Lay the paper over the wax and gently iron. The wax will transfer to the paper, leaving your carpet pristine. Moved your furniture around for a fresh look, but now you're left staring at those annoying dents? Here's a cool fix. Place ice cubes on those dents. As they melt, the carpet fibers rise, erasing any trace of the dent. It's like giving your carpet a gentle steam treatment. With just a few household items, a squeegee, an iron, and some ice, you can tackle most carpet challenges. Ready to give it a go? If these carpet hacks have you floored, don't keep them to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe to Quidos Cleaning Services for weekly Tuesday tips, and share this gem with friends and family. Let's make every home in the Northeast shine.